الذين آتيناهم الكتاب يعرفونه كما يعرفون أبناءهم وَإِنَّ فَرِيقًا مِّنْهُمْ لَيَكْتُمُونَ الْحَقَّ وَهُمْ يَعْلَمُونَ
الذين آتيناهم الكتاب يعرفونه كما يعرفون أبناءهم، جن لوگوں کو ہم نے کتاب دی یعنی تورات اور انجیل کے جو صحیح ماننے والے ہیں، یہ نقطہ یہاں نوٹ کر لیجئے، تورات اور انجیل کے ماننے والوں میں سے غلط کاروں کے لیے مجہول کا صیغہ آتا ہے، اوت الکتابہ، جنہیں کتاب دی گئی تھی، اور جو ان میں سے ٹھیک تھے، صحیح رخ پر تھے، ان کے لیے معروف کا صیغہ ہوتا ہے جنہیں کتاب ہم نے دی تھی۔ یہ انداز جو ہے معروف اور مجہول کا، یہ آپ دیکھیں گے کہ فرق ہوگا، جہاں ان کی کسی غلط بات کا تذکرہ ہوگا الذین اوتوا الکتاب، اور جہاں اچھی بات کا تو وہاں یہ کہ جو آتیناہم الکتاب، الذین آتیناہم الکتاب یعرفونہ کما یعرفون ابناءہم، وہ ایسے ہی پہچانتے ہیں اس کو۔ ہو کی ضمیر قبلے کی طرف بھی ہے، اور ہو کی ضمیر محمد الرسول اللہ کی طرف بھی ہے، ہو کی ضمیر قرآن کی طرف بھی ہے۔ ایسے پہچانتے ہیں جیسے اپنے بیٹوں کو۔ وَإِنَّ فَرِيقًا مِّنْهُمْ، اور یقیناً ان میں سے گروہ وہ ہے لَيَكْتُمُونَ الْحَقَّ وَهُمْ يَعْلَمُونَ، جو جانتے بوجھتے حق کو چھپاتے ہیں۔
Now we go on to the new ayah. الَّذِينَ آتَيْنَاهُمُ الْكِتَابَ يَعْرِفُونَهُ كَمَا يَعْرِفُونَ أَبْنَاءَهُمْ، those who we gave the book to recognize, now the pronoun is who, it's a masculine pronoun. So some have translated and even understood this in tafseer as recognize him, meaning recognize the messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Others say the who here refers to the Qur'an. When they heard the Qur'an, when they looked into what this revelation is and how it opened up secret chapters of their history and basically let it all hang out, their dirty laundry that only they knew, and let it in such immaculate detail, then they knew this can only be revelation. A third position is that they know the Qibla, the house that was built by their father Ibrahim alayhi salam. They recognize that Qibla, they recognize that place, the Kaaba, as well as they will recognize their own children. So there are three ways that pronoun is understood. One is the Kaaba itself, the direction of prayer, Al-Masjid al-Haram, they recognize it. Two is the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. And three is the Qur'an. So they recognize all three of these things as they would recognize their own children. You know, kids are running around, and even in Salat, you know, alhamdulillah, we have that silent room. Most masajid don't have that kind of facility, right? So you have kids running around in the back, and if you're praying and your kid's running around, you know which kid is yours. You know which one made the noise. And it's like, oh, my kid again. Had to be mine. You know? So you'll know. Without even looking, that is. The idea is, it's something that you wouldn't even think twice about. That's my kid. You know? They have that level of certainty about this. They've scoured their books, and they know without a doubt that this in fact is the messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Anyhow, even despite knowing that, you would think when human beings know something, they act according to it. That's not necessarily the case. We're not machines where you put in data and you get the output as expected. There are other factors involved, like our hearts. And Allah mentions about Bani Israel in the same surah earlier, their hearts had become hard. So He says, وَإِنَّ فَرِيقًا مِّنْهُمْ لَيَكْتُمُونَ الْحَقَّ وَهُمْ يَعْلَمُونَ. And certainly there's a group from among them that is truly, they really are hiding the truth while they know what they're doing. So they are knowingly hiding the truth.